Easily the best, most coolest, most unique, most luxury, most everything house I have ever seen since starting my career 8 years ago in real estate. You guys are in for a treat today. Oh my goodness. The things inside, like, it kind of seems like, oh, it's nice, it's a luxury house. But like, it's not all that. Just wait. Just you wait. So over the top, but in a good way. The pool in the back is absolutely stunning. The finishes, the artwork, the textures. No area was left untouched by the designer of this home. Oh my gosh, like, it's stunning. Great porch area here, but let's step on inside. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. Literally though, like, unique artwork throughout. Every piece was hand selected. Gorgeous staircase. Italian light fixtures that were imported. We'll head over this way. Check out the gym right out the front. Gorgeous. You got linen closet right here. Really cool accent fixture. Even notice the hardware on this door into the office. Stunning. Love all the natural light. And even the textured walls with a custom, like, this isn't wallpaper. This is hand painted walls. Even on the back here, you have that extra robustness with the added texture flex. These are done by Finch. Can't think of, I'm pretty sure it's from Finch. It's like a lady and her daughter that do them together. Absolutely gorgeous. We'll head in here. Closet under the stairs. Even something as simple as this drop zone off the garage. I mean, come on. So cool. And here you've got the hub of the house that runs all the technology, smart home stuff. And then you have got that gorgeous garage with lots of storage. Obviously they're into Halloween. Has some Halloween decorations there. And I know what you're thinking, only a 2-car garage. You would be incorrect. It's a split garage plan. So over here, you have that other separate garage as well. And you can hear, you probably can't hear it, but I can hear the water running in the back for the pool and the fountains. Just you wait. Back inside here, check out the floor to ceiling windows. Gorgeous. And then you also have that fireplace. And the light fixtures are just something to be admired. Even the extra hardware across the front there for those cabinets. You have the waterfall edge on that extra thick granite. Counter depth refrigerator. And there's a whole nother kitchen in the back I'll show you in the butler's pantry. You don't have to run away. You can be in the video if you want. Oh, no, we're just trying to gorgeous kitchen. And you do have more of those accent walls by the Finch girls. Really great. Can't think of the term I'm looking for that, but look at the hardware here. Great dining set. Lots of natural light. Counter depth. Undermounted sink here, gorgeous. This one's probably got they're just not in here. Doesn't it have the inserts?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Yep.
Really
And
cool.
they're in these drawers.
Right. One of the mini storage drawers.
Inserts too.
For sure. You have a pocket door into our butler pantry here. Storage for days. And then you do have, like I said, you have a little wine area, but there's actually a wine closet too. But you have a whole other kitchen in here, the dirty kitchen, as some people call it, to, you know, work in here and not dirty the rest of your kitchen, especially if you're entertaining. And hey, I won't make you wait. We'll go check out the pool. You have these gorgeous Florida room doors. Mom's just schmoozing by the pool here. They have an outdoor kitchen, which is absolutely stunning. There's seating space over here. You have the waterfall with the lounge chairs, and then just really unique pieces that you just don't see in a lot of homes, at least not in Oklahoma. So it's very unique for the area in the greater Tulsa area to see something like this. It's just not typically what they do here. But gorgeous pool. There's a fireplace out here. Actually, a quite massive yard for where we are. You wouldn't know it with this backdrop, but we're literally in a very heavily concentrated subdivision. But really cool. Like where do you even buy a chair like that? I have no idea. But really great terracing back here into this backyard. But let me give you a back profile. Now, something really cool is that door over there in the master bedroom. Check that out. There's a personal airplane flying by. I mean, it's something else. Like I said at the beginning, it's easily the coolest, most unique home I have seen since getting into real estate in 2015, 2016, so like 8 years almost. And by far one of the coolest houses in the greater Tulsa area that I have seen. While I make my way back inside here, if you're new here, my name is Henze. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team serving Tulsa and the surrounding communities. On the channel, I share all things real estate, living in Tulsa, lifestyle in Tulsa, and home tours like this. So if you're interested in any of that, of course, subscribe for more. But with that, let's continue this tour. So moving across to the other wing of the house, groin vault ceiling is gorgeous with this flex. Again, very unique light fixtures. And this powder bath here off of the pool is gorgeous. Again, you have one of those hand-painted accent walls. Absolutely stunning. I mean, this is a statement piece because this is the bathroom that your guests are using when they come to visit you. Over the top, this whole thing is actually the sink. Your controls are right here. You have the gorgeous LED mirror with the different lighting settings. And then an absolutely luxurious drop zone here. And like I said, that door goes right out to the pool. Over this way, you do have the utility room. Again, gorgeous light fixtures. You've got a dog wash in here, doggy door to the backyard. Can accommodate very large laundry units, and then you have plenty of storage in here as well. Check out that accent wall. Absolutely gorgeous. But we're not done yet. In here is the primary bedroom or the master bedroom. Vaulted ceiling is breathtaking. Love that light fixture. It's giving Art Nouveau with the kind of vine look, but oh my gosh, absolutely stunning. And if you like the sound of running water, check out this door. I don't remember what style you call those, but I've seen them in other houses, but really cool to have one in your bedroom, but right out to the pool. So if you have this open in the morning, you can be laying in bed and listening to the sound of the water, which is just, that is luxury for a lot of people. And like I said, we are in town and you can't hear nothing. No cars, no road noise. You have a really stunning accent piece with this stone wall, but then the flex on the rest of the walls really just elevate the space. Again, it's just something unique everywhere you look that you just don't get in other homes. Check out this bath. Unbelievable. You've got jets in the tub, and then you've also got just luxury everywhere you turn. Like, I'm trying to think of creative words It's so over the top. I'm still taking it in. I've been here for probably an hour and I still keep finding new things. But just even little accents like that. Everything was custom picked, like I said, by the designer. And then in the shower, this glass is so clean, that's actually not a door. The door's over here. That's going to be your toilet area in there. But look at this custom mosaic. Absolutely stunning. You do have a rain shower head up there. Gorgeous. You do have a pocket door. That's when I came through to the bedroom, but there is another doorway here. And then the closet most people can only dream about. Gorgeous. It's almost like a department store with the backlighting there. Lots of storage and hanging space. It is quite something. And you're probably thinking, Ryan, these seem like they move, and you would be correct. Behind the mirrors, you do have even more storage as well, which is a really nice feature and a great use of space, in my opinion. Again, even something as simple as the drain plug is so unique that you just don't see anywhere else. Back in this bathroom, if you came from my reel, here's the chandelier inside the light. You just don't see that anywhere. Even the floor here with the different tiles, really cool. In the living room, we've got your wine cabinet, wet bar situation happening here. You have 2 wine fridges, and of course, a nice backlit look, and you do have the iron doors on it as well. But let's head on upstairs and continue this tour. So up here, you have got a great balcony overlooking the living room. And then on this side, we get a look at that chandelier from earlier. It literally goes all the way to the floor. Gorgeous. Up here is one of the bedrooms. You have a nice little sitting area here. Accent ceiling with the pop out. Private bath. Each bedroom actually has its own thermostat as well, which is really cool. Good closet space. That's attic storage back there. You also have these hardwood floors that are stained such a really nice onyx black color. Kids playroom over there, but I'm going to show you this other bedroom first. Linen closet. Same pop ceiling. Love those light fixtures that they chose for the fan. The window's open as well, which I've mentioned in other videos. Having a window that opens is something that's really needed to just air out your home and let in some of that fresh air in the springtime, especially after winter when your home's been closed up. But gorgeous backsplash there. We've also got kind of a similar design here with the mirror situation, which brings us into that kids' playroom that I mentioned. You have a really cool built-in rock wall, and there's a bed loft situation happening. Really cool. Little storage on the stairs there going up to the loft. Really quite something. I mean, just little unique fun things like this Disney-themed hangout spot to read a book. We have a really great closet in here. And then just wait, there's more. So over here is kind of your second living, game room, party room, den, whatever you want to call it. Really nice electric fireplace again, TV. And check out this thing. It's almost like a sundial. I saw it almost right away when I walked in from downstairs. So cool. You got room for shuffleboard, but obviously you get a pool table in here, whatever you want to use it for. And again, all these windows open, which is such an underappreciated feature. Everywhere I look is something new. Like I said, I keep seeing, even this countertop is stunning. You don't see a color like this every day. So that tells me it was hand selected. It wasn't just your run of the mill. And even a sink like this with the hardware underneath all exposed is quite eccentric, but in a good way. I'm assuming this is attic. Sure, attic storage. Such a cool house. That is about a wrap for this home. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. I'm here with Mom. Mom, what did you think? You've been here a while.
Yeah, I really don't have words. It's pretty amazing. Every corner we took was something new, fabulous. I can say I've never seen this before.
It's definitely not something you typically would see in the Tulsa area. No. I mean, maybe on a smaller scale, but not this grand, and so many unique pieces that are definitely hand chosen, a lot of them imported. Really cool stuff. But of course, like and subscribe for more content like this, home tours. And if we can help you make that smooth transition to the Tulsa area, or if you're moving in and around the Tulsa area, we would love to help you. So reach out to us anytime, and we will see you in the next one.
Yes.